In this video, you will learn how to deploy BI Pixie on Azure to collect the usage events from large portfolio of Power BI reports. Go to Azure Marketplace and search for BI Pixie. Open BI Pixie, Enterprise Deployment page. Review the app and click Get It Now. Sign into your Azure account and click Continue. In the Solution Template page, you can create the Azure resources needed by BI Pixie. In the Basics tab, select your subscription, resource group, and region. In the Next tab, select a unique name for the function app. Select the function app pricing tier. You can select consumption and change it later. Select more options related to the storage for the function app and application insights. Click Next and enter the name of the new or existing storage account. If you decided in the previous step to create a new storage account, you can select the storage SKU and redundancy. Next, enter the application insights resource name. Skip this tab if you opted it out. Finally, review your selections and click Create. The deployment of the solution template will start. First, the storage account is created. It's an Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2 with hierarchical namespace. The deployment will add BI Pixie Lake, a new container, and BI Pixie Queue, a new storage queue. When the deployment completes, go to the resource group. Open the function app. The send_event function is the web trigger that will collect BI Pixie events. Select send_event and click Get Function URL. Copy the default function key URL. You will need it to configure BI Pixie automation. That's it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Subscribe to BI Pixie channel for latest videos and feature updates.